Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It is also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share some of the latest job openings in Thiruvananthapuram. It is from Kerala. So let's discuss one by one. Firstly, there is a job opening for front office cum showroom sales executive position from Derek Motors. It is located in Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala. So they are giving a salary range between 10,000 to 15,000 rupees per month for this position, and the candidate should be a smart and energetic and should have good communication skills. So these are the skills required for this position, and for further details you can contact with the given phone number, that is 7594960000. Next, there is a job opening for GM Sales and Marketing Executive position. It is from Jeric Motors, located in Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala. So they are offering a salary for this position is 30,000 to 40,000 rupees per month. And coming to experience details, you must be having minimum 5 years of experience in automobile sales, and should be willing to relocate to Trivandrum, and should be able to build and develop the team. So these are the skills you need to have for this position. So interested candidates, you can also contact them with the given phone number for more detailed information about this. So the number is 7594960000. Next, there are some vacancies available from Sri Chitra Tirunal Institute for Medical Sciences and Technology. It is located in Trivandrum. So they are hiring for the position of a project assistant. It is located in Tirunanthapuram, Kerala. So they are offering a salary for this position is 18,000 rupees per month. Only one vacancy is available for this position, and education qualification will be any graduate. 1 to 3 years of experience is required, and the last date to apply for this position is 3rd March 2021. So selection will be based on either written exam or interview, and here is some of the details provided for how to apply for this position and all, and also you can check on this website link for more detailed information about this notification. Next, Center for Management Development is hiring for the position of office attendant. So only one vacancy is available for this position. They are going to give 35,700 rupees per month, and education qualification will be 10th standard. 5 to 8 years of experience is required to apply for this position, and the last date for application is 1st March 2021. And you can also check here with the selection procedure, and you can also check in the website link provided here for more detailed information about this job notification. Next, there are vacancies from RGCP. So it is hiring for the position of Assistant Library and Information Officer. So it is located in Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala. One vacancy is available for this position. Education qualification will be BSc or BLib. So 2 to 5 years of experience is required to apply for this position. So last date for application is 31st March 2021. So for detailed information about this job notification, you can check in the website link provided here. Next, there is a job opening for course coordinator position from IBIS Academy. It is located in Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala. So for this position, the education qualification will be bachelor's or master's degree, and 3 to 10 years of experience in industrial or training experience is also required for this position. So interested candidates, you please check with the details provided here, and you can also check with the you can also call to the given phone number for more detailed information about this position. The number is 9645433332. Next, there is a job opening for student counselor position. It is from Max Pillar Education Private Limited. It is located in Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala. So they are going to offer a salary for this position is 15,000 to 22,500 rupees per month. It's a full-time job. you can walk into the given address details provided here, and the phone number also provided here for this position. So education qualification will be any degree, and they are preferring for MBA marketing candidates, and also experienced person. 2 to 4 years of experience in educational field is required to apply for this position. So interested candidates, you can walk into the given address details, or else you can contact to the given phone number with for more detailed information about this position. The number is 8589889830. Next, there is a job opening for payroll executive position. It is from Muthul Fincorp Limited. It is located in Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala. So they are going to offer a salary for this position is 15,000 to 25,000 rupees per month. And interested candidates, you please check with the details provided here, and you can also contact them with the given phone number for further details about this position. So the number is 8884110000. Next, there is a job vacancy for marketing executive position from Byte Labs Software Solutions Private Limited. It is located in Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala. So they are going to offer a salary for this position is 10,000 to 20,000 rupees per month. And you please go through with the information provided here, and interested candidates, you can approach them with the given phone number for further details. The number is 9446982205. Next, there is a job opening for receptionist position from Srimani Builders and Developers. It is located in Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala. So it's a full-time job. You should be having responsible for handling calls, organizing meetings online, communicating and managing day-to-day operations, and the candidates with experience in Excel work and good communication skills are required for this job. So interested candidates, you can walk into the interview to their address. So you can call to them with the given phone number for further details, that I mean address details, and the number is 9847085603. Next, there is a job opening for telecaller or student counselor position. It is from IPMS Academy Private Limited. It is located in Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala. So they are looking for experienced undergraduate female candidates for telecaller position, telecaller come student counselor post. So interested candidates, you please check with the details, I mean what are the skills and the responsibilities required for this position, and you can also approach them with the given phone number for detailed information about this position. The number is 8086 0000951. Next, there is a job opening for registrar position. It is from the Oxford School Trivandrum, located in Kerala. So the candidate should be having 3 to 5 years of experience as a registrar in schools is a must. So education qualification will be any UG or PG, and you should be having these skills what they are mentioned here, and it's a full-time job. You can walk into the interview to their address details. So here we have provided the contact number. You can approach them with the given phone number for further details. The number is 9567808116. Next, there is a job opening for marketing associate position from AF Foundation International. It is located in Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala. So they are going to offer a salary for this position is 10,000 to 20,000 rupees per month, and both freshers and experienced candidates both can apply for this position. It's a work from home flexibility also available for this position. So interested candidates, you can contact them with the given phone number for further details. The number is 7034995522. Next, there is a job opening for project executive position. It is from Kingstar Education. It is located in Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala. So they are going to offer a salary for this position is 10,000 to 13,000 rupees per month. Minimum qualification is BTech freshers. Backlogs also considered. So good communication skills in English are required. Both males and female candidates both can apply for this position. It is located in Trivandrum. So interested candidates, you can approach them with the given phone number for further details. The number is 9745638666. Next, there is a job opening for social media executive position from AAII. It is located in Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala. So they are going to offer a salary for this position is 10,000 to 20,000 rupees per month. So these are the some details provided here for this position. You can also check with these ones, and after checking interested candidates, you can approach them with the given phone number for detailed information. The number is 9946100099. Next, there is a job opening for Public Relations Officer. It is from Export Goods and Services. It is located in Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala. So they are going to offer a salary for this position is 8,000 to 10,000 rupees per month. It is for female candidates, and freshers can also apply for this position immediate joining. So interested candidates, you can approach them with the given phone number for more detailed information about this position. So the number is 952026019900. Next, there is a job opening for billing executive position from Cosmos Sports World LLP. So it is located in Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala. They are going to offer a salary for this position is 11,500 to 14,000 rupees per month, and these are all the details for this position. So you please check with these ones, and for detailed information you can approach them with the given phone number, that is 7559074447. Next, there is a job opening for sales representative position from Estrado Technology Solutions Private Limited, located in Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala. So they are going to offer a salary for this position is 20,000 to 30,000 rupees per month. And interested candidates, so please check with the duties and responsibilities, and as well as with the requirements for this job opening. So you can also approach them with the given phone number for further details. The number is 9074555150. Next, there is a job opening for telecaller for sales. It is from Novel Vox. So it is located in Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala. So they are going to offer a salary for this position is 12,000 to 15,000 rupees per month. It is for female candidates. Experienced and freshers both can apply for this position. Interested candidates, you can approach them with the given phone number for further details. The number is 9288001121. Next, Amrita Vishwa Vidyapeetham is hiring for the position of a faculty. So they are they will be having only one vacancy for this post. Education qualification will be MPhil or PhD. 2 to 1 year fresher candidates can apply for this position. So last date for application is 3rd March 2021. You can check in the website link provided here for more detailed information about this job notification. So that's it in this video, guys. Hope this video will help you a lot. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members, and subscribe the channel for more updated videos. And also please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.